Thank you. We'll check in with you soon. Well, right now, the case involving a former Fairfax County police officer is now in the hands of a jury. Former Sergeant Wesley Shiflett is on trial for involuntary manslaughter in the deadly shooting of a suspected Tyson's Corner shoplifter, Timothy Johnson. This was a year and a half ago.
And Tosin, his defense team had the opportunity today to motion for a mistrial in this case, but chose not to. DC News Now's Randy Bass has been following this trial for us and brings us the latest details from closing arguments today. Good evening, Randy.
Yes, good evening. The jury is now home for the day with deliberations set to continue tomorrow. But before they left for the day, they asked the judge how late can they stay tomorrow to continue their deliberations. The judge told them as late as they need to. Tomorrow could be another very long day here at the Fairfax County Courthouse. More now on those closing arguments we heard in court today. Former Sergeant Wesley Shiflett's defense team maintaining an interesting defense stance in this case, saying he can't be convicted on an involuntary manslaughter charge when it was his intent to kill Timothy Johnson, saying the shooting was intentional and aligned with his police training with the Fairfax County Police Department. Shiflett testified he was scared for his life before he fired 2 shots, saying he saw Johnson reaching into his waistband for what he thought was a gun and only later learned Johnson was unarmed. However, prosecutors saying that while policing is a difficult job, it was not an act of defense, but an act of what might be and a rush to judgment. Prosecutors also saying in their arguments yesterday, fear alone does not grant the right to kill. But during the prosecution's closing arguments yesterday, they replayed body camera footage from that shooting, sparking a strong emotional reaction from some of Johnson's loved ones in court. Some of that footage played by prosecutors at the center of courtroom controversy over the last 24 hours. That video, part of it, was not admitted into evidence during the trial. The defense declined to motion for a mistrial, saying they would just reserve the right to motion for a vacated verdict if Wesley Shiflett is convicted. Again, a big day ahead tomorrow. One of the jurors cannot continue after tomorrow. One of those 12 jurors. This is putting some pressure on the jury to come to a verdict. You heard me just a few moments ago saying the jury asked the judge how late they can stay. The judge again said they can stay as long as they need to tomorrow. The jury will be back here to continue their deliberations at 9 o'clock. In Fairfax, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.